take off. Lean that way, Haley. Lean that way. Lean, lean, lean.
Hey, Carter, drive.
All right. Okay, Carter's your... Wait, Haley, you gotta check to make sure your parachute's on tight. Is it on tight? Carter, check your parachute. Is it nice and tight? Okay, get ready to jump. When I count to 5, you guys jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta pull your... Haley, you gotta pull your cord so your parachute comes out, remember?
Yeah.
Pull it. There you go. Did your parachute come out? Jump, Carter, jump. All right. Pull your cord so your parachute comes out.
Go, Carter, go like this.
Okay, you guys remember where to land? Go find the landing zone.
Oh, hold on, man.
Did you land? Are you still floating?